Can you hear me? Sa mic mo. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, we're live right now.
So what I believe you were trying to say is thank you.
Thank you.
I see what's happening, yeah. You're face to face with greatness and it's strange. You don't.
Okay, class. Who would like to do problem 3 on the board? Please don't be me. Please don't be me.
I can show you the world. Shine, shimmer, splendid.
Alright. Naimbag nga rabii. Iti Biyernes. Good evening, Hyacinth. How are you? Good. To your mic. Can you hear yourself? No? Oh, you try again.
Hello.
Ayan. So, kasama natin ngayong gabi si Hyacinth Gadingan Santiago. Ayan. Teka, saan ka, Hyacinth? You don't know where you're from? Ayan, so kasama nga natin ngayong gabi si Hyacinth, si Aya. Siyang special guest dahil wala akong may guest ngayong hapon na to, ngayong gabing to. So kasama natin siya ngayon. And of course, ang background songs natin yung mga background songs ng or official sound track ng Aladdin. That's anong title niyan? Yeah, yun na dinig. It's a whole
New world.
new world. Ayan. So what can you say about the song or about the movie? Have you watched the movie already? What can you say about the movie? Good. If you're going to give stars to Aladdin, how many stars you can give?
1
1 million
million.
stars? Ang dami naman. Oo. Tapos ano yung favorite na movie mo, na Disney movie mo? What is your favorite Disney movie, Haya? Mickey Mouse? How about yung Moana? Is it? Oh, yun din. So favorite din niya ang Moana. Okay, are you excited to go to school already? You wanna go to school yet?
Yes.
Yes? Why? What makes you excited about going to school?
I want to draw.
You want to draw. Do you miss your classmates and even your teachers?
I can see my classmate right there.
Where? Oh, on the other side, right? That's just like how many meters away? It's just like 100 meters away. Yeah, that's right. Is it? No, 100 meters away from home. Yeah, so what can you say about our viewers who are watching right now on our Facebook live stream? Yeah, they're watching. We have 62 million.
Tita Kim!
Oh, she's watching right now. Hello, Aya, sabi ni Tita Carol.
Saan si Tita Carol?
She's watching right now. Ayan.
Carol!
But can you read all the greetings or shout out here? Ayan, sabi dyan. Oh, kusapin mo yung mic. Yan. Oh, kusapin mo, ayan. May mga nagpapa-shout out dyan, so basahin mo yung mga shout out nila. Basahin mo din yung pangalan.
Ay, si Tita Javin.
Ano sabi dito, Javin mo?
Hello, Ate Aya.
Oh, what else?
Si Tito Mikmik din.
Sino?
Tito Mikmik.
Is he watching right now? Ano sinasabi niya? Yeah. Maraming content. Oh. Basahin mo yung mga greetings nila dyan.
Si Tita Carol.
Yeah. Anong greetings niya? May greetings ba siya dyan? Oh, can
Baka
you...
naglalaro pa si Tita Kim. ng Call of Duty.
Call of Duty sa ML. Do you play that?
I kind of like it.
You kind of like it.
But,
Yeah. So what do you miss about going to school?
draw.
Draw. Ano pa? How about your classmates?
Shira.
Shira. And what is your favorite subject?
Art.
Arts, not science or mathematics. I see. So do you want a song with me tonight?
No.
You don't want. Okay, let's sing a song.
Ayaw.
Or do you want me to sing a song?
Yeah.
Anong song?
Yung Moana.
I don't know how to sing that song. Any other song that I know? You don't know? Ha?
Moana.
Moana? Anong kanta yon?
Yung kanina.
When we're human again, only human again. When we're knickknacks and whatnots no more.
Basta yun.
Ah, Sherry, won't it all be top drawer? I'll wear lipstick and rouge.
Okay, let's sing a song here.
Why, I'll easily fit through that door.
Moana.
Darling suits, savoir-faire, I'll wear gowns, I'll wear
Alam ko na, a whole new word na lang.
Yes. Si Mr. Reggie. Paano ibaba?
All right, wait, let me sing a song. We're not supposed to watch any
I'm not
other
watching.
shows here.
I'm trying to see the song.
Yeah. Ito, a whole new world.
Yun, oh. Yun.
How are you doing?
It's a magic carpet.
It's lovely.
You, to go for a ride, do you? We could get out of the palace, see the world.
Is it safe?
Sure, do you trust me?
What?
Do you trust me?
Yes.
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride. A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming. A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear. And I'm in a whole new world with you. Unbelievable sights, indescribable feeling, soaring, tumbling, freewheeling through an endless diamond sky. A whole new world, 100,000 things to see. I'm like a shooting star, I've come so far, I can't go back to where I used to be. Every moment with letter, I'll chase them anywhere. There's time to spare, let me share this whole new world with you. A whole new world, as there will be a wondrous place for you and me. Alright, so that's a whole new world. Ayan, OST po yan ng Aladdin. Tama ba, Aya? Do you like the movie A Whole New World? I mean, yung Aladdin pala. Do you like that movie? Oh, you're eating
Monster
now?
Math presents Counting to 10.
Oh my God, you're hungry. Oo, gutom na daw si Hyacinth, mga kaibigan. So let me just go ahead and sing another song bago tayo mag-off-air dahil sandali lamang ang guesting ng ating bisita ngayong gabing ito dahil napaka-busy siya at marami siyang mga taping at endorsements sa ibang network. Tama ba?
Hindi ko maawatan.
Hindi daw niya mawatan. Okay, tingin tayo ng another song dito.
Butin the base?
Yeah. Moana daw talaga.
Moana.
Moana. I don't know how to sing that song from Moana.
Beauty and the Beast yun?
Yeah.
Yung Beauty and the Beast yun.
I think we're gonna sing that Beauty and the Beast now. I think she forgot already. Okay, let's sing together, okay?
Yummy.
Tale us all this time, true as it can be. Barely even friends, then somebody bends unexpectedly. There's a little change, small to to say the least, both a little scared, neither one prepared, Beauty and the Beast. Ever just the same, ever a surprise, never as before, never just as sure as the sun will rise. Whoa. Ever just the same, ever a surprise, tale is all this time. Bittersweet and strange, finding you can change, learning you were wrong. Certain as the sun, certain as the sun, rising in the east. Tale is all this time, song is all this rhyme, Beauty and the Beast. Beauty and the Beast. Yeah.
Mid-year bounce back sale, July.
Sing with me, okay? You are the one who makes me happy when everything else turns to gray. Yours is the voice that wakes me mornings and sends me out into the day. You are the ground that sits quiet, listening to me and all the medicines that I made. You are one of a few things worth remembering. And since it's all true, how could anyone mean more to me than you? So many times when the city seems to be without a friendly face, alone just hard to find. One look at you and I know that I could learn to live without the best. I found the best when there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest dreams won't come true, I can't take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't without you. 'Cause young I listen to the radio, waiting for my favorite songs. When they played, I'd sing along. It made me smile. Those were such happy times and not so long ago. How I wonder where they gone. But they're back again, just like a long-lost friend. All the songs I love so well. Every sha-la-la, every whoa-whoa still shines. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they're starting to sing so fine. When they get to the part where it's breaking a heart, it can really make me cry, just like before. It's yesterday once more. Something in the wind has learned my name, and it's telling me that things are not the same. In the leaves on the trees and the touch of the breeze, there's a pleasing sense of happiness for me. There is only one wish on my mind. When this day is through, I hope that I will find that tomorrow will be just the same for you and me. All I need, you will be mine if you are here. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. You must put me at the top of the world. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. You must put me at the top of the world. Alright. So yan nga po nagtatapos ang aming programa. Pero bago dyan, may gusto yatang batiin si Hyacinth, ang aking special guest for tonight's show. Sino yung i-greet mo, Hyacinth? Yeah, you have to speak on the mic. Come on. Say it there in the mic. You would like to greet who? Say hi. Sasayaw ka daw. Or she misses you, right? Okay, so your mommy is also watching right now. You have to speak on the mic kasi hindi narinig. Ayan. Alright, so magpaano tayo sa ating mga viewers, Hyacinth? Then babalik tayo mamaya. Correct? Yeah, we have to. You have to say goodbye now, and we'll be back later with another guest.
Me?
You want?
You.
Well, it really depends. Okay.
Tita Kim, naglaro. Ay, need ko yung bang-bang.
I thought she's gonna be here for the program. Okay. So, ayan mga kaibigan, yan po nagtatapos. That concludes our program. Ikkis ni Candon Express with my special guest, Hyacinth. Ayan, say bye-bye na sa mga viewers natin. Say bye.
Bye.
Ayan, medyo nahihiya siyang humarap sa camera kasi it's her first time to appear or to have this show live on Facebook and on YouTube. Ayan. So thank you very much, Ikkis. I'll see you again later on. We're going to have another program at 8 or 8:30 tonight. So see you again later. Bye.
39.
Yeah.